Sidra, it is a tertiary center for pediatrics and women healthcare. And we set a high value is to provide an excellency patient's care. They are helping us to get us all these requirements to meet our needs and also to be able to success, to have those accreditation for the GCI. And hopefully in futures we will get the HEMS level 7. And it is real time, it's dynamic, available for the physicians at the moment, and it is accurate so that it helps the patient to provide the care. In addition to this, also we are utilizing the data to help the physician to predict if the patient at risk of any disease, especially like sepsis. So now the physicians will be able to predict those patients who they are at risk, so they can interfere earlier to be able to get better outcome. We are looking also to strengthen those and develop even much better to be able to improve the healthcare